Hey kids, it's me, Mr. Archer, and today I'm going to show you Blender. It's an amazing free tool for creating 3D art. Okay, first you want to open up your browser. I'm on my Mac, so I have Safari open, and I've gone to blender.org. Now I'm greeted with this nice big blue button that says Download Blender. I'm going to choose that. I see another big blue button that says Download Blender and the version number. Now I'm on a Mac, so it shows me, hey, here's your version that you need to run on your computer. So if you're on Windows or Linux, you can go here and choose the appropriate version. So after you've clicked Blender and it's gone to your download folder, I'll open up my download folder because I already have it downloaded. Here's my Blender file for my Mac. So I have a .dmg. If you're on Windows, you'll see .zip, and you can just extract that and open it from the folder. So I'm going to double-click Blender. Okay, so yours may have taken a second like mine, but once that is opened, you can copy Blender to your applications folder. I've already done that, so I'm going to close out. I'm going to minimize my downloads folder. Once Blender's copied over to your applications, and open up Blender. Now that we have Blender open, we're greeted with a splash screen and a bunch of buttons. Now these buttons may seem scary at first. Using a 3D tool like Blender is as easy as flying a spaceship, so don't worry. Okay, let's click on our splash screen to make that go away. Here, this is what's called a scene, and in this scene we have a cube, a light, and a camera. So we see here the camera is looking at the cube, and the light is above the cube. Now you may not see right now, but this light is actually casting light over the cube. So just for fun, let's go ahead and hit F12 on our keyboard. May take a second. There. Ooh, my window's really big. Let's make that smaller. There. See? This is what the camera sees. This is what's called a rendered result. So we have our light coming off from the right here. And now hit Escape on your keyboard and make that window go away. And we're back to where we started. Now on your 3-button mouse, the middle wheel or button, you can click in, and let's move around in 3D space. So I'm taking my 3-button mouse, clicking the wheel. I'm just moving the mouse around, not the wheel itself, just the whole mouse, while holding the middle wheel in. Cool, huh? Now I can scroll the wheel in and out. Neat. So I can move up, move on down and up, and scroll in and out. Now let's see what our camera sees. On my number pad, I'm going to hit 0. There. Now we can see from the camera's perspective. Cool, huh? So if your cube isn't selected, you can select items in the scene by left-clicking them. So if I left-click 3D space here, it's deselected. See the orange? It's gone, the boundary here. Now if I left-click the cube again, there. This nice orange line around it, letting us know that it's selected. With our cube selected, let's hit R on our keyboard. So I'm just going to hit R quickly. See the little tool that popped up? Now I can move my whole mouse around. I can rotate my cube. And when I want it right here, I can left click my mouse. There, I've rotated my cube. Now off to the right, we'll see all these buttons here. We're just going to focus on the little red beach ball one near the bottom. That's where our materials are. Now materials here mean the color. We're just going to change our base color. Now my favorite color is green. I'm going to give it a nice base color of green. Now, how come I don't see my green? Why isn't my cube green? Well, we want to switch to a rendered preview. Up the top here, you'll see different previews. So if I want to see the wired edges, now I can just see through the cube, but we're going to choose a render preview. There, now it's green. Let's go ahead and hit F12 again on our keyboard. May take a second. There we go. Look at that. A nice green cube. Now in the upper left, I'm going to choose Image, Save As. I'm going to save it to my desktop. I'm going to give it a name. Cube. Save as image. Now go ahead and hit Escape on your keyboard again. Make that window go away. We'll save our project. File. Save as. Call our project down here. Cube. Save. Now we can go to our desktop, minimize Blender, minimize Safari. We can choose our cube picture here. There's our nice cube. Well, that's all I have for today. Go ahead and post your cubes on Facebook for everyone to see. Bye, kids.